Soundlab was set up in 2003 by Kevin Carroll and Polly McCulley. It was set up in memory of an inspirational local young man who died tragically on holiday. And the aim was to provide an outlet to the community and provide something engaging that young people could go to and learn in a fun and productive environment. It's something that didn't really exist, particularly in the East End at that time, so it was a real gap. And since then we've engaged with hundreds of young people over a number of years. Now what we're trying to do and what we have been doing is expanding it, and we're delivering it all across Glasgow and delivering to different groups as well, so it's a really, really exciting time.
What I loved about Soundlab was its ethos. I respected where they were coming from with helping the local community, especially the youth, to get music skills and find their place in music, which I always thought was a vital thing for young people, particularly young people from communities like Tollcross and East End and even Kennan Park and Govan. I always thought, no, that's something I really want to support.
This year we've had a sound production course with Alex Smoke, so that was a course for young people between 14 and 25. That was really, really successful. We ran that out of Glasgow Music Studios. At the moment, where we are just now, we've got Sunday Shindigs, so that's a programme working with refugees and asylum seekers predominantly, but it's open to everyone, and that's doing free drums, DJ, media, singing, guitar, all types of music tuition basically.
Seeing the young people blossom into great musicians and also educators in their own right has been phenomenal. I was at a music conference about a month ago at Edinburgh, and one of the first group of young people I worked with he was doing a lecture on Spotify and how to maximise its use as a musician for getting your stats. And he works for a local music company in Glasgow who helps other musicians get their music online and iTunes and stuff like that. So it's amazing to see that. That's really, really cool.
For me, it's been, I don't know if I would say a lifesaver, but it's definitely been one of the, I think almost one of the greatest opportunities that I ever had this year, really. I wish I would have been there I wish I would have known about this Soundlab many years ago actually, to be honest. But the thing is, the diversity is, I think I would say is really the best thing about the city.
I enjoy the diversity of the students you get to teach, the real sense of community when you're playing with these students, and also seeing the development of them. I think that's all really impressive to see. Even though some of these projects maybe last, like this one, 5 to 8 weeks, you can still see how much the people that come to these sessions get out of them. And that's the same for us as well. We get that as well. We really respond well to it and enjoy it.
This kind of music is new for me, because I'm from Syria, also I'm Kurdish, and also when I play Kurdish music and Arabic music and Turkish music, but what the name for music from Euro or American, this I think difficult for me, but this moment I have some idea. Yeah, I think maybe in the future I can be better. I'm very happy. Sometime when I have any appointment or someone contact with me about to visit me, I tell him no, I'm very sorry because I have a course for music, I like it. But this Sunday, because last one, I think I'm sad this moment. Yeah, I'm sad and I'm happy. I'm happy because it's new people when I knew him, and I think we continue this new. Like he asked me my phone and email address, and I asked him my phone and email address or any social media. About this, I'm happy.
Having that opportunity to play with a musician that's really accomplished at his instrument, and an instrument that I don't really know very much about, and so for me and him to have that time to share, me the guitar and him the saz or the baglama, it's a very different process. I sort of don't become the tutor anymore, I sort of become the student, and back and forward.
Allowing people to express themselves creatively, giving them a chance to get to know other people that love music and connecting in that way. Basically just providing a platform for those that would maybe not have the chance to do it otherwise, and we've got really good resources to do so.
I would say every community needs a project like SoundLab. Music's a great tool for getting people involved. Doesn't matter if they're not educated in music, doesn't matter if they've got no experience, doesn't matter if they've got lots of experience. Music brings people together, and it's a powerful thing when people come together, and it should be encouraged more within communities, so more SoundLabs out there.